Need a new hybrid battery but don't want the hassle of a dealership? We make it fast, easy, and affordable. Just visit our website and enter your vehicle's make and model. From there, browse our high-quality hybrid batteries, compare pricing and warranty options, and check out with a few simple clicks. Once you place your order, our team will call you to confirm your details, answer any questions, and schedule your free mobile installation, often same day or next day. Our expert installers come to you, whether you're at home, work, the gym, a parking lot, or even on a road trip. No need to visit a shop, wait in long lines, or pay high dealership prices. On installation day, our technician arrives fully prepared and ready to get to work. They disassemble your vehicle, carefully remove the old hybrid battery, and install a reliable, high-performance replacement, all in about 1 hour. Once the new battery is installed, they take your car for a test drive to ensure everything is running smoothly. Then, they reassemble your vehicle, double-check all connections, and make sure it's just like new. And that's it. No downtime, no stress. Just fast, expert service and a high-quality hybrid battery, backed by our industry-leading warranty for peace of mind. Thousands of drivers trust us for reliable hybrid battery replacements. Just check out our reviews. Don't wait for your hybrid battery to fail. Order yours today at www.thehybridgeek.com and get back on the road with confidence. Hybrid batteries, engineered by geeks, trusted by drivers.